Hello, children and parents. My name is Megha More, and I'm here to talk to you about how food and nutrition helps with building a body's immunity. I run a nutrition company called Truweight. You can think of me as the principal of a school where people of all ages come to study about healthy eating habits. We don't just teach them theory, but also help them practice it on themselves in order to see the benefits of healthy eating. So, how many of you know what immunity means? To be immune means to be protected. And the body's system, made of a network of organs, cells, tissues that helps fight off sickness, is called the immune system. I will not get into the details of white blood cells, phagocytes, lymphocytes, etc. All I want you to understand right now is that our body is built to fight off germs and viruses and any toxins and any alien substance. To understand this better, think of your body as a fort. The immune system is like the moat around the fort and the army of soldiers that protect it from any enemy attack. Now, taking the same analogy forward, these soldiers need to be fit themselves. They have to be well fed and nourished. They need to practice their skill of fighting, use of weapon. The weapons themselves have to be sharpened and polished, and so on. What will happen if they are not well trained or don't get enough food? Well, they will become weak and will lose to the enemy. Similarly, the immune system also needs to be looked after. It needs the right nutrition. It needs the right fuel to operate at its optimum level so that it keeps on fighting the enemy. Now, nutrition is a huge subject, and I would love if some of you, including the parents, could take it up and study more on it and maybe teach us about it further. To think about nutrition and the body, nutrition is like body's building blocks. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? How many in the Hindi alphabet? Now, every language has its building blocks. Our body too has a language, and the scientists have given a name to a lot of these building blocks in terms of vitamins and minerals. These vitamins and minerals help boost our immune system also, and you can get a lot of it through the food you eat. So there's vitamin A, B, C, D, and a lot more. Each vitamin has a role to play in your body. Not going into the detail of each of them, let me give you a broad overview on few things you must do daily in order to help your body become stronger to fight off diseases. Number 1, everyone tells you to eat your fruits and veggies and the greens. I will make it simple for you. Just eat different colors. Add as many colors of natural food to your daily menu as possible. Each color brings you the goodness of multiple vitamins. The orange of carrot helps you with vitamin A that is good for your eyes. The yellow of lemon and the lead green of amla adds vitamin C, which is necessary for the growth, development, and repair of body tissues. Green of leafy vegetables gives you B vitamins that help you make important molecules in your cells. So just add more colors. Number 2, eat the genesis of all plant life, the seeds of different plants. They are a bundle of energy and nutrition. They're also high in zinc, which is an important mineral for immune system. When you eat the melon, don't throw away the seeds. Sunflower isn't just a beautiful, pretty looking flower. It also gives you nutritious seeds. They are tasty too. Sprouts are another form of life that are extremely nutritious. Although not a common practice, almost all grains, beans, nuts, and seeds can be sprouted. Soak the grains and see them sprout. It is fun and comes closest to growing your own food. Please eat the seeds and the sprouts. Number 3, be active. This applies more to the senior grades. We know you have tons of projects to do and books to read and assignments to complete and exams to take and so on and so forth. But do get some exercise. Very simply put, those who exercise regularly have been proven to have better immunity than those who don't. And for the younger ones, keep hopping and jumping through life. That's the best way, anyway. Number 4, get some sun. Do you know sunlight is almost our only source of a very important vitamin called vitamin D or the sunshine vitamin? This vitamin plays a critical role in promoting immune response. Our experience shows that 80 to 90% of Indians living in urban areas are deficient in vitamin D. We hardly go out in the sun. Please go out in the sun. Play, read, walk, just lie around. Get that sunshine vitamin. It'll help your immune system too. Number five, sleep well. Did you know you grow a tiny little bit every night when you sleep? That when you sleep, your body is actually working relentlessly to repair and fix any damage caused during the day. It is the repair and recover time. Sleep deprivation is also linked with hormones that suppress the immune system. So, sleep loss not only plays a critical role in whether we come down with the flu, it also influences how we fight illness once we come down with them. So, please sleep well. Number six, be grateful. Now, how will this help build immunity? Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But being grateful almost always helps. Nutrition doesn't only mean the food you eat, it also means the thoughts and feelings that you put in your mind. Everything together helps your body become strong and beautiful. So be grateful. Let's pledge to make our body the strongest version of itself. Have a lovely day and enjoy every moment. Thank you.